Probably the best prize that we are going to give today is they are not here in this room. They are the people who are carrying the bags. They have a big hall here, which I understand that they have a 16-inch TV, and that's how they watch your programs, iNooro, particularly iNooro TV. And they actually spend a lot of time watching iNooro TV, particularly after 4, when there is Kabue is around Dubeli around, and there is a girl who plays music with a DJ, and she's from Dubeli. So they all spend the time there. So we have decided to give them a TV, which I'm going to hand over to the chairman to make sure, and it has a box to make sure that it's installed in that hall.
Shesheni Hakue nawe.
Munene maodo matare mono, mwadhani munene.